In yesterday's video, I mentioned one of the best ways that you can make money fast as a side hustle is building simple 5-page WordPress websites. I got a lot of positive comments where people want me to show them how. In fact, one person actually said, how could I turn this 3K into 5K? So in this video, not only am I going to show you step-by-step how to find clients for your WordPress business, I'm going to show you how you can even make more money. And again, this is a part of a larger course that I created. So watch this entire video if you want to learn how you can start making 3K per client simply building 5-page WordPress websites. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's get started. So WordPress is an incredible opportunity because it's relatively easy to get started. You don't need to know a bunch of coding. With other softwares and programs out there, you may need to be a programmer. You may need to know things like HTML and CSS, but what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to find clients relatively easy. I'm going to show you how to find WordPress templates that you're going to download so that you can actually complete these jobs in about 3 to 5 hours, depending on your skill level. The first thing that you want to do is you want to get access to, it's called Reference USA or Data Exile. Now, I'm actually accessing this for free. As you can see on my screen here, I'm actually accessing this for free using my Kenosha library card. And so the cool thing about this is you can see there are 78 million US businesses that you can potentially market to. And so let's go ahead. I'm just going to show you step by step what I did to start finding clients. So first thing I did is I clicked on 78 million, and now you have a few options. You can type in company name, but the better way to go is to click on advanced search, and then you're going to actually sort by county. Now, the cool thing about this is you can target large counties like Cook County for Chicago, whatever New York County is, the different boroughs, you can target them as well. And then you can actually command 3K or more because these guys have a higher standard of living. And so they're not going to bat an eye. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to find clients, but this is my favorite way because it's really fast. So what we can do is we can go to county like this. And then I'm going to select Illinois. Let's see if we can find Illinois. There we go. And then I'm going to select Cook County because Cook County is Chicago. And so I select Cook County, and then I'm going to go view results. And from here, we can take a look at all of the businesses that are in Cook County. Now, the only drawback to this software is you can only download 25 at a time, but there's so many different ways that you can get access to the information. For example, you can click on charts like this, and then you can actually get this broken down by different business entities. So if you want to target only restaurants, for example, you can do that. Look at this. If you wanted to target just physicians, you could do that. And the benefit of targeting one industry is that you could go out and build a website and show people, hey, this is what your website's going to look like. And if you work with me, I'm going to obviously change it so that it matches your colors and things of that nature. But you can see that there are over 31,000 physicians in Cook County. And so we could target them if we wanted to. For example, let's say we wanted to target real estate. We click on real estate like this. And then we can get a list of all of the different real estate agents and realtors that are in the Chicago area. So what we're going to do next is we're going to check this box. Again, the only drawback to this is that you can only do 25 at a time, and you're going to have to do this multiple times. So there's 3,000 results. You're going to have to do this, 3,000 divided by 25. I'm not a math guy, so you can figure it out. So we're going to click on download, and then this is going to download to our computer. We want a detailed report because we want to take a look and see download records like this. We want to take a look and see what businesses don't already have a website, and we can target them first, and then we can actually look at the bad websites and then target them next and tell them we can improve their website. A better website will actually help them rank more. While that's working, let me show you the other way, the longer, more tedious way to find clients. So we could type in something like, let's type in plumber near me, or if you wanted to, you could do plumber Chicago, Illinois like this, and then you could target these plumbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on more businesses, and we're going to just scroll through on this left-hand side here and look for companies that don't have a website. So if we look, it looks like all of these have a website, all of these have a website. So as you can see, this is going to take much longer. There are tons of results, so that you're going to have to kind of scrape and scroll through and find one like this one, Silverwood Plumbing and Rodding Incorporated. So we can target this one. If we keep scrolling, we can target Fast Action Plumbing, say all of the people in your area. And if you name the businesses, you could say, hey, look, Your competitor, Chicago Sewer and Drain, 24-hour emergency plumber, these guys all have websites and you don't. And you're probably missing out on tons of business because you don't have a website. Okay, so by now my other thing should be up and running. If we take a look here, this is really cool because you can see the company name, you can see the business owner, you can see so much information, you can even get their address. And what I did is I actually mailed them postcards. All right, so what I did is I actually used Vistaprint to print off a bunch of these postcards. These are oversized postcards. And then I actually did a mail merge. I don't know if I've got a few here, but I did a mail merge using Google Docs. And what I did is I actually had these already printed out and I mailed them out. And I actually had inbound leads coming to me because I actually did a little bit of legwork. I went above and beyond, and I actually had, let's build together. Contact us to receive a 10% discount on a new website. Offer a 10% discount, and then my business Remote Web Services at the time. And I actually had a little bit on the back to actually entice the person to call and got some inbound leads that way. That's the next step. If you don't have any money to invest, that's not a problem. It's just a cool thing that I did to kind of set myself out from its competitors. But as you can see here, we've got the address. We actually have a contact phone number as well. But if we keep scrolling, we can actually see if they have a website. Look at this. Look at all of these that don't have a website. This is going to save you so much time. In addition, we can take a look and see if these websites are bad. Some of these websites aren't very good, and we can actually approve upon these websites. And this is going to make your business so much more efficient. We can just click on these. What I did actually is I targeted the bad websites first, because the bad websites actually showed me that they knew that they needed a website. And I told them, hey, look, I can improve upon your business with a better website. And so I target bad websites. I target people with no websites. In addition, and this is one way that you can make more money, is that you can add additional value. For example, if you scroll through, look and see if they have social media. This will tell you if they have social media too. If they don't have social media, you can bundle this all up. This is one way that you can make even more money. If we see, let's see if we can find it. We can see their hours. We can actually know who to call, which is really cool. But one of these will actually tell us if they have a social media. Look at this. It lets us know if they have a Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. We can actually make more money by offering a complete social media setup. So Facebook, everybody's on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. We can set all that up and we can bundle that. So one way to make 5K, to create a 5K bundle, is to offer more services. So again, this is what I did step by step to start getting clients coming in. And at the time they didn't have TikTok, but this is one way to go. Another thing you can do is you can scrape Facebook. That takes a little bit more time and a little bit more effort, but you can do that too. So now that you know how to find clients, let's talk about some ways that you can make more money. One of the best ways to make more money is simply with affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing comes into play a few different places. If they don't have a website, they probably don't have web hosting. So you're going to have them click on your affiliate link to sign up with Bluehost or HostGator, whatever it is. And when they sign up, they're going to use your affiliate link and you can get paid a commission. As I mentioned, you can also add additional services like TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, add all of those additional services, and you can make even more money that way. Another thing that you can do is you can actually charge reoccurring for maintenance. So you could charge another $100, $200 a month for additional maintenance on their website, making sure all the plugins stay up to date, making sure that the website's up and running. Sometimes the website crashes for no apparent reason. People will pay you for this because they're not technical. They don't care about their website. They care about the leads that their website brings. So you can do that. You can also make more money setting up a landing page with them. You could be an affiliate for ClickFunnels or Kartra or Builderall and say, if you want a dedicated way to get leads, use this. You can set the landing page up for them, set up email marketing for them. That's all different affiliate opportunities, and you can manage that software and stuff as well. So that's reoccurring that you could get. Another way that you can make money is actually doing like drone photos. If you live in the area, you can say, hey, look, I'll take photos of your business. I'll come and do like a virtual walkthrough where people take pictures of the different offices. Again, that's more things that you can charge for. Another thing that you can do is you can actually charge to run their ads. Again, a company like a real estate, they need leads. And one of the best way to get leads is to run ads. A lot of these guys don't know how to run ads, and you can simply create ads for them and make even more money. Another thing that you can do is you can write blog posts. A great way to get leads, again, Business owners don't care about the internet. They don't care about the website. They don't care about any of that stuff. They care about getting leads in the door. And one of the best ways to get leads in the door is with organic reach. So they could write blog posts in their niche. You could actually do research for them, figure out the best type, and you could actually run an entire agency simply doing this. You can also set up things like text messaging to their clients. If they are trying to get more engaged with their clients, there's just a ton of different ways that you can make even more money with your clients. So $3,000 is the minimum. Someone asked me over on Instagram yesterday, 3,000 is the minimum. But you can set up reoccurring for yourself. You can set up packages like I mentioned. So 3,000 for a 5-page website. If they've got products that they're trying to sell, maybe they sell t-shirts and they want WooCommerce installed, you can charge $7K because that requires more time. If they have all of this other stuff that they want done, you can charge, $5K, $10K, whatever it is, as long as you are providing value. The one thing that I didn't show you, and I'll show you this real quick, is how to find WordPress themes. Now, I like using a website called ThemeForest, and I just go to themeforest.net and I type in whatever their niche is. So we'll do real estate. And one thing that I like to do is during my onboarding call, I'll tell them, hey, let me know 3 or 4 websites that you like the look and feel of. And they'll send me links to these websites. And most likely the websites are using WordPress. And so what I would do is I would go over to I would type in Google, what WordPress theme is that? And then I would take the link that they provided and I'd put it right in here and it would actually tell me the WordPress theme that they're using. So it would make it really easy to get these done relatively quickly. So I would just type in, like, for example, alstongodbold.com, hit the search bar, and it's going to tell you not only the WordPress theme that they're using, also all of the different, that's because I've got it redirected, but all of the different plugins that they have as well. So let me just let's see if I can find one. Let's do best. All right, so we found a different one, best products under, and as you can see, it's using the avocado theme. And we can actually go and find where that theme is. We can download it, and then we can actually plug it right in to our customer's web hosting package. Now, this video is not going to show you step by step how to set up a WordPress theme. There's tons of other videos like that. What's more important is how to get clients. In fact, what you could do is once you get a client, you could hire somebody to do all of this for you so that you're just focusing on getting more clients. And then let somebody else worry about actually putting this together, and you can make a decent amount of money. So in this video, as I mentioned, I showed you how to find clients, actually 2 different ways. I do have a complete course that shows you like 30 ways to find web design clients, and actually 10 additional ways to make even more money. In this video, I think I revealed like 5 of them, but there are another 5 ways that you can do it. Comment down below if you want that course, and I'll put a link directly to the course and you can enroll in it. The course is moderately priced. It is reoccurring, so it'll re-up every single month. But this is a great opportunity if you're looking to make money this month. Affiliate marketing is great for long-term success, but if you're looking to make money like by the end of this week, this is the best way to go. The final tip that I have is make sure that you get at least half up front. Okay? Businesses are not going to bat an eye about paying you half up front. The reason why you want to get half up front is if they just stop responding to you, at least you're not completely left out in the lurch. Okay? I have made the mistake where I've done all of this work up front and I didn't get any money because it was a church and they're ethical and whatever. I wound up never getting paid from that church. So make sure you get half up front. If they're not willing to give you half, it's a non-starter. There are so many other businesses out there that will have no problem paying you half up front. If they're not willing to give you half, don't even work with them, okay? And the other thing is be careful with Google My Business. There's a lot of scams out there where people are trying to get you to do a bunch of work and they'll pay you afterwards. Don't fall for it. Make sure that you always get half up front. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.